Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with our English language book as we are going to discuss chapter 9 verb today. uh, we are going to discuss, in this video, auxiliary verb or helping verb. I know we have discussed, auxiliary verb and helping verb yesterday also. But yesterday we have discussed am, is, are, or you can say is, am, are. But today we are going to discuss was and were. These two are also helping verb, and they are forms of verb be. So yesterday I have discussed with you is mr, which shows the present time. Today we are going to discuss was were because they they represent the past time. Okay, so we are going to discuss them in detail, where it is used and with which subject it is used. All of the things we are going to discuss today about was and were. Okay, so I request you all to open page number 74 and hold a pencil in your hand so that we can discuss little bit about auxiliary verb again. What is auxiliary verb? And then we will discuss about was were. Okay, so here we go with page number 74. So as we have discussed yesterday, that auxiliary or helping verbs, they are used together or they are used with the main verb. Okay, ये जो auxiliary verb है या helping verb है, ये main verb के साथ use की जाती हैं to show the verb's tense. Okay, to show whether the action happen, whether the action is happening in the present or the action happened in the past. Okay, so they help the main verb. They are used together with the main verb to show the verb's tense, to show the time of the action, to show the time of the action, whether it is happening today, whether it represents the present time or the action happened in the past. Okay, so a helping verb may appear immediately preceding the main verb, or जो helping verb है, as I have told you that it comes before main verb से पहले आती है, like reading, speaking, counting, smiling, laughing, crying, playing, dancing, fighting. Okay, so these are the main verb से पहले जो है हमेशा जो helping verb आती है, और it may appear with the word separating it from the main verb such as not. और कई बार ये separate भी हो जाते हैं helping verb and main verb, because we have to form a negative sentence like is not reading, am not reading, are not reading. Okay, for example, if I read these examples, you will come to know how helping verbs are always coming before the main verb. Like you were sleeping, she was painting a picture, he was jumping on the bed, the boys were swimming, and the last one, little baby was crying. Okay, so this is how the helping verbs always precede or always comes before main verb. Now please come on page number 75 as we are going to discuss the main point today, was were, where it is used and when we can use was were. First of all, the word was and were are also forms of verb to be. Like is, am, are were also the forms of verb to be. In the same sense, was were also the forms of the verb to be. The difference is only that ki is, am, are is used in the present sense and was were is used into the past sense. Okay, so then they are used to talk about event that happened some time before now. Please underline this line, that was were is used to talk about the events, to talk about the actions that happened some time before now, जो अब से पहले हो चुके हैं, सम टाइम बिफोर नाउ, फ्रॉम टुडे, they happened before some time. Okay, now, for example, Ravi was a good boy but now he has become naughty. Ravi अच्छा लड़का था, now he has become mischievous, he has become naughty. Okay, my house was near the sea. मेरा घर was near the sea था. They were not in the town last week. वो last week town में नहीं थे. So these are the examples, which shows us that how was and were, used to talk about the events, that happened some time before now. Means वो past की बात करते हैं. Now I would like to come upon the, subject. With which subject we can use was and with which subject we can use were. Okay, now I'm coming on that point. So now we are going to look upon the subject, with which subject, we can use was and with which subject we can use were. With the he, she, it, with singular we will use was, and with I also was is used. Okay, with I also was is used, and with the singular, if on the place of he, she, it any singular name or thing is coming, like we have read just now, Ravi and my house, they both are singular. Okay, so we have to use, or we should use was. Okay, now if I come upon we, you, they, with the we, you, they we will use were, or instead of these word, if there is any name like Rahul and Rohit, were. Okay, so if there are two names, or if there are more than one person who is in the sentence, who is doing the action, with that subject we have to use were. उसके साथ हमने were ही use करना है. Okay, so please look at this picture carefully. With I, was, with he, she, it, or any singular, or any singular name we have to use, or any singular thing we have to use was, and with we, they, you we have to use were, or if in the sentence there are more than one person like Rahul and Rohit, we have to use were. Okay, so these were the main points that we have to keep in our mind regarding was and were. And I want to look at this picture now, where I have tried to clear that do not get confused between is-mr and was-were, because is-mr shows the present time and was-were represent the past time. Present means जो आज हो रहा है, जो रोज़ होता है, ठीक है, जो आप हो, है ना, जो प्रेजेंट से बिलोंग करता है, विद दैट वी विल यूज़ इज एम आर. एंड पास्ट, जो एक्शन जो है पास्ट में हो गए हैं, ओके, विद दैट वी हैव टू यूज़ वॉज वर. ओके, जो आप थे पहले, या आपके पास कोई चीज़ थी, और द एक्शंस और द इवेंट दैट हैपेंड सम टाइम बिफोर नाउ, विद देम वी हैव टू यूज़ वॉज वर. ओके, उनके साथ हमने वॉज वर यूज़ करना है. नाउ लुक एट दिस examples carefully, where I have tried to clear was and were for you. As we have discussed just now, with which subject we have to use was and with which subject we have to use were. So in the first sentence, I was dressed as a lion, because with I we have to use was. Okay, next sentence, you were in the truck. Okay, he, singular, he was swimming in the pool. They, plural, so we have to use plural helping verb. They were doctors. Okay, it, singular, so singular verb, helping verb, it was sleeping. Next, we, okay, we, plural, so we have to use plural verb. We were having fun. Okay, next is I. With I we have to use a singular verb, was. I was a chef. Okay, next is The monkey was eating a banana. Monkey, singular. Okay. The monkey was eating a banana. Okay. So next one is the boys were reading. Boys are many, they are in plural. So the boys were reading. Okay. Next sentence is Mary was going to the shop. So Mary was going to the shop. Mary is a singular. So for that we have to use a singular verb was. Okay. So I have tried to clear with these examples that where we have to use was and where we have to use were. You have to remember that chart, that was is used with the singular noun and were is used with the plural noun and with the you. Okay. So now, as we have discussed both is-am-are and was-were, I hope you will be able to solve worksheet 3 and worksheet 4 by yourself. In worksheet 3, you have to choose the correct word from the bracket. Okay, and in worksheet 4, they have deliberately given some wrong verb, helping verb. Okay, and we have to correct them. Okay, we have to correct them. I hope I have cleared your doubt regarding is-am-are and was-were as well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.